Hi everybody, today I'm going to be talking to you about my cool tool. It's called Khan Academy. I'm sure some of you are familiar with or at least are aware of this site. Maybe some of you have used it before if you're in a classroom. As for me, I was familiar with it, but I hadn't used it very often. I just kind of dabbled with it back in the day. But after researching it for this particular assignment, I've seen just how much it's changed and just how great of a resource it is for both teachers and students, new and experienced teachers. Um, for those unfamiliar with this site, Khan Academy, it's a nonprofit educational organization, as it says in the wiki right here, that provides free online videos and practice for students. So students can view videos that are hosted on YouTube on this site that give in-depth explanations, visuals for different subject materials, as well as practice quizzes and assignments that they can put to use what they've learned in the video, as well as help if they're having some difficulties with that particular subject. I'll show you some of that in a bit. So if you go onto khanacademy.org, or if you look it up on Google, you'll be met with this first page, which has 3 tabs: students, teachers, and parents. It says learners, but students. This is what we're going to be concerned with, the Teachers tab. You'll click on that and it'll ask you to create a free account. It's really easy. Email, name, password, and there you go. You have a free account. It's great. I've already done that. Once you do that, you get a fun little intro tutorial. It's really intuitive. It gives you the ins and outs, a simplified ins and outs video of what's going on this site. Unfortunately, I've already done it and I can't show you it, but if you want to, you can create your own account and see it yourself. But I'll give you an overview right now. But this is the main portion. This is your teacher's dashboard. And this is where you can organize your classes, your students, and your resources. Here I have 2 mock classrooms, a 1st grade math class and a 4th grade math class. And if you want to add new classes, you click on this tab. You can put your name in and then pick a subject. Another great thing about this is we've created Google Classrooms for an earlier assignment. You can import that into into your Khan Academy account. So when you go back to your Google Classrooms, if you need an assignment to give for to your students, you can pick a Khan Academy one and link it. And it's really easy, and you can grade it and evaluate it. I'll show you where that is. So let's go to the 1st grade math class. That's where you can see your past assignments or current assignments, the progress of each student, their activity, and the roster of students. Now, students can join the way we join Google Classrooms, where they are given a class code on their Khan Academy account, and there you go. Then their names will come up on this roster. So this is the content area where you give assignments. So let's say, and it also has the Common Core standards on the right, which is really helpful. Once you click on one, you can assign that to your students. Let's go to what they're going to be seeing. So let's do something easy, addition and subtraction. So they're going to be going to, let's go to the student view. So they're going to get a YouTube video with visuals and an in-depth explanation. There's also a transcript if they need to look over anything without going through the whole video, what the video is about. You can also ask questions and users will help you and give you answers or advice. On the left right here is where you will practice what you've learned. So let's do something easy, like 8 minus 4, 4, because 4 plus 4. You can check, and you get a right answer with a little fun. You get points, and you also get like avatars, things like that. If you get something wrong, let's just put this to see what happens if you get something wrong. You check your answer. It says to give it another shot. You can try it again, or you can get help. When you get help, it gives you a nice little visual and some explanations that are going to help the student understand. It's also going to have the video linked if you need to look back on it again. And it does this for each subject that's available. So I'll show you some. This is all the subjects that are available. A lot of math, science and engineering, computing, arts and humanities, test prep. And it's got all these great videos for it. So that's basically what Khan Academy is. It's a great resource, and I think it's for being free, it's going to be incredibly helpful for you and your students if you like to use it. So that's my cool tool. Have fun and explore it. I saw a video where they Some teachers did that with their students. They gave them an hour to just explore the site, and they learned so much just from exploring, clicking tabs, and playing around with it. So you can do the same, and thank you for watching this video.